Hi, I'm Alan Reynolds with Southland Organics. We wanted to take just a few moments and tell you about one of our products, Big Ole Bird. Big Ole Bird is a unique organic poultry supplement. It is sometimes referred to as a probiotic, but it is actually so much more than just a probiotic. Big Ole Bird does have multiple strains of naturally occurring bacteria. This aids in fighting the bad bacteria in the gut, but it also helps coat the gut and actually give white caps on the litter. White caps usually denote a sign that the bird is digesting the food properly in a healthy gut. However, the biggest benefit of Big Ole Bird are the organic acids. If you were to do a Google search for the benefits of humic acid, one of the first things you'll find is a bodybuilding website that talks about the benefits to human consumption of humic acids. But you'll also find at the very top a lot of articles about livestock and the benefits they can gain from humic acid. What organic acids do in the body, whether it's livestock or even my personal body, it helps the body absorb more of the nutrients that it's actually consuming. We may go to a vitamin shop and search for some vitamins, and one of the things we'll compare is what is the vitamin that's more bioavailable? What are the ingredients that are going to help it actually retain into my body? That's actually what humic acid does in the birds. When the integrator puts in vitamins and nutrients that are geared for that bird, a lot of times the bird will pass through maybe a little, maybe a lot, depending on a lot of things, variables. But humic acid will actually help the bird retain more of the vitamins and nutrients that it's actually consuming. This actually helps grow a healthier bird. Big Ole Bird started out as a commercial product, but over the last few years it has grown into the backyard market. 3 years ago, Big Ole Bird was approved for organic use by the WSDA. Big Ole Bird was designed to help your bird fight bad bacteria and disease, and to help the bird grow to its full potential. Thank you for showing interest in Big Ole Bird, and if you have any questions or comments, you can find us at www.southlandorganics.com, or you can actually email me at alan@southlandorganics.com.